Okay, so I have a bunch of Trackmaster Revolution / Motorized items here together. I got a whole bunch here, so this may take a little longer. But here we have Thomas with the yellow truck that has a tipping feature. Oh yeah, this came with the Cassia crane and cargo set. Oh yeah, I think that's what it is. Toby with a red van. Mechanic Thomas that came with a walking bridge set. Fiery Flynn. Emily. Armor Thomas. Gina. Both released to coincide with the release of Digs and Discoveries. Snowy Spencer. Young Bao the Hero. Golden Thomas. Duchess. Kenji. And the only All Engines Go item in this pack is the Percy and Brake Car Bruno pack. But yeah. I actually own most of these already, but I can use them as spares or whatever. Like this version of Toby. Here's Flynn. Like I did with these guys down here, I actually tested these out to make sure they work. And they do. Oh, and I forgot, back here is Cassia, who is a repaint of Carly. Yep. And here's Bruno. Funny, because I already own this Bruno, and the Bruno that came in the Abridged to Sodor set. I don't need another Bruno, but hey, more are always welcome. And probably the best thing is, I'm getting the talking version of him this Christmas, in the Talking Thomas and Brake Car Bruno train set. So whenever that comes here after Christmas, I'm gonna be sure to do an unboxing video of that, because I can't wait to see what the inside of Bruno is like. Yeah, but anyways, here's Kenji. He comes with 2 coaches, despite the fact that he only pulled 1 in the show. Duchess. With her number 2020, which is the year when she was released. Golden Thomas with a drum that can just like that. Along with the coach, the decorative coach. Young Bao came with a winch that was actually reused from the Solar Search and Rescue Diesel pack. Snowy Spencer, that was released as a Toys R Us exclusive. Unfortunately, he's missing the removable piece for removable snow that's cover his face. But I don't care. Both Gina and Armor Thomas were released for Digs and Discoveries. And this is actually the first release of Gina, though she has 6 wheels instead of 4. She's also the first Trackmaster engine to have white dots in the eyes. The other engines would later have this, including the main characters. Here's Emily, just a normal Trackmaster 2 Emily, nothing special. Fiery Flynn, I guess this model is pretty hard to come by. This Flynn was first. Oh, this Flynn was first released in 2014 or 15 with Scruff and Simpson, but was later given a Big Friends and Little Friends release. I'm gonna say Flynn did well. I guess Toby is, I don't know, pretty easy to come by. And Cassia is only included in the set, Cassia Crane and Cargo train set, but was later included in the Trains and Crane Super Tower. Oh yeah, this Percy came with the grayish truck with a removable cargo piece. And yeah, I guess that's it on the motorized engines. Like I said, I did test these out to make sure they work, and they do. But it's not over yet, because the push-along engines are the only brand left. So stay tuned.